Amigurumi is inspiring more and more people all over the world. Millions enjoy this fun hobby and the special creations that can be made. You are only limited by your imagination. And maybe by your hands and fingers. For many, one of the hardest things about amigurumi is getting the washer onto the back of the safety eye and having it stay. Here at Craft Easy Tools, we have created a solution that saves your fingers and your sanity to make washer placement a snap. We have designed, tested, and redesigned the tool until we have perfected it to give you the best results possible. Introducing the Safety Eye Snapper, the easy safety eye application tool that makes placing safety eyes and securing them a snap. This tool comes in two sizes, accommodating safety eyes ranging from 5mm all the way to 35mm. This tool was created to offer maximum leverage with little to no effort and has a cushioned side to protect the front of your safety eye from scratching. With the Safety Eye Snapper, you can snap and secure your safety eyes with a simple squeeze of the hand. Save your fingers, yourself, and your friends from the safety eye struggle. Join us today and start sharing this breakthrough tool with everyone you know.